Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're talking about, please join us on YouTube to get updated whenever we publish our awesome stuffs. Find us on YouTube, FXStreet, and hit the subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko0 and myself at Just Analysis 1. Taking a look and capping off our Friday webinar here, we're looking at Dogecoin. I gotta tell you, I feel a little bit let down. I kind of was turning into a little bit of a Doge bull, but not anymore. Well, maybe just a little bit. It's still bullish. I mean, Doge, like all the other coins, have had some really nice opportunities to push higher, but ultimately have failed to do so. Buyers have been unable or unwilling to really push higher. And so it looks like it's just going to dive. And I don't want to talk like really horrible about the extremes, but tell you what, a close below 23 cents begins the road to 18 cents, which begins the road to this area here. So the 2021 volume point of control is at 25.22, barely holding that range there. Drops below 25.22, hits 23 cents. We move below 23 cents. The volume profile gets super thin until 18 cents, but then below 18 to 19 cents. Oh my gosh, it'll be like a vacuum. It just gets sucked right down south here very quickly. So yeah, that doesn't look healthy on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, Dogecoin is still in bear market conditions, and it has struggled to even get above 55. And you have this hidden bearish divergence between price action and the composite index, while the RSI just can't top above 55. It's been a long time coming when you look at it this way. It looks very, very, very ugly. I'll say that. So, pending any remarkable, swift fake out in the broader market, Dogecoin looks like it could be set up for a pretty steep drop here in the future. And something definitely to watch as a warning over the weekend. So I'll pass it off to you, Akash. I don't know what you see.
Okay, so what I see in Dogecoin right now, I'm on a 9-hour chart, and I see this ascending parallel channel. Let me just switch it up a little so you can, so this is the ascending parallel channel that I'm looking at. And so far what I see is Dogecoin is broken below the channel, and it's already retested the lower trend line and failed to close above it. And what's going to follow right now is a steep correction to not 0.16, but please come back. Okay, never mind. Those lines are gone. Let me just quickly change this. The target for this pattern would be somewhere around here, right? And it coincides really good with the support level here at 0.193. That's what I'm looking at. And if you look closely, this is a double bottom with sell stops below it. And that's what I'm gonna, or at least that's what the market makers are going to aim for, is like a dip below this. And this is what I'm expecting from a short-term perspective, is a retest of 0.19. But if we close this, if we lose this level here, then we're probably going to revisit Jonathan's most favorite level here, which is 0.16. A breakdown of this would push it directly down to 0.09 according to him. But I think there would be a bit of pit stop. I'm not sure if it's in this chart. Yeah, so there would be if we lose 0.16, there's going to be a little bit of relief bounce around 0.12, and if we lose that, then it's straight down to 0.09. That's my take on Doge. But also what I discussed a couple of times is a dip down into this area here, which is near the 0.16 support level. I would expect it to form a triple bottom, a triple tap setup, and as I've marked out here, if it does come down here, it's going to be a triple tap setup, and then we expect to go higher. Obviously not this high. I was joking back then. But the first level that I want to see it clear is above this here, this green level, which ranges from 0.25 to 0.34. So this is the bullish take. As for the bearish take from a shorter term perspective is a 23% downswing for Doge. Oh no, my short opportunities. Yeah, that's my take on Doge, John.
All right. Well, you heard it here, folks. We're not a lot of bullish on it right now. So hope you guys all have a great weekend. Look forward to talking with you next week. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.